Hello everyone, my name is Harsha Chaudhary. Welcome back to my channel. This is DataFrame part 3. In this part, we cover conditional selection, reset index, and how to set the index, how to reset the index, and multi-indexing. So let's get started. Coding. Now comes to the conditional selection. It's very similar to Numpy Array. Now make a data frame. Now printed. We also write this code like this. Let's make it more easy for you guys. Now remove this split function. Now again, now remove this split function also. Let's, oh, now run the cell to check a condition like if df values is greater than 0. Let's run. Here we get the tabular result. If the condition is true, it's show true on that cell. We also pass this condition in a square bracket. Now see the result. Here, if the value is false, it show nan value on that cell. Now check some more conditions like for particular column. If particular column W is greater than 0, here we get the value. In this we get A, B and E value. Now do some more example. We want to check this condition and show this column Y. We get these value. As in this we have get all the columns value or the data where this condition is true. Now if we want X column also, we pass like this in double square. Now do some logical operation also, like adding two conditions, and if column W value is greater than 0 and column Y value is smaller than 0. Let's see the result. Here we get the value. We also add or sign like this. Now for resetting the index. If we want to reset the index, we use reset index function and see Here the ABC index become a column, and here these are the new index. Now for changing the 1, 2, 3, 4 values in this index value with these, we put some state. Now if we want to change this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 index with some value like these, let's run and now make a new column states. Now this state, we want these state column become the index. Now for setting this state column to an index, we use setIndex function. Now we see the new index will be created. Now again run the, see the, as we did not pass in place is equals to true, so it not permanently make the changes like this. If we want to make index in place is equals to true, it permanently set the index state columns. Now comes to the multi-indexing. Now make some data frame, which by the help of these two lists. Now run the cell. Here we see the multi-indexing. These are, and now for getting a data frame, we get the value of 6 by 2. Index should be these and column is A and B. Now run the cell. Here we get the multi-index. Index inside the index like this. Now for indexing in multi-index data frame, we want to access this G1 index, pass G1 in LOC. Now pass G1 inside the square bracket, run the cell. Here we get the G1 value. For G1, we want to access 1. Inside G1, we want to access 1 index. For this, we do like this. Now run it. We get A and B value of this one, this row. For getting the index names, here we get no name. For set the name of the index, we name group and num. Now run the cell and see the data frame. Here we get the name of the index G1 and G2 group and num for 1, 2, 3. Now if we want to access the G1 group, we also do like this. As we want to get a value of G1 index inside this row. We get A and B value. And if we want to get the value with the help of this num, like label, we call this label num and value 1. Here we get G1 and G2 value for index 1. So that's it for this video. In next video, we cover how to deal with missing data. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any interesting video. So that's it. Thank you.